Right, so we have 3.42 grams of sodium bromide, NaBr, and we want to convert to moles. So the next thing we need to do is to determine the molar mass. So the mass of sodium, if you consult your periodic table, is given typically as 22.990, while the mass of bromine is typically given as 79. You can do this a couple of different ways. I typically do it as 79.9. If we consult a periodic table, this periodic table we have in the classroom is 79.904. We're going to add those together. And I get 102.894. That's got to go in the denominator. 102.894 grams per mole. And of course, grams will cancel. So this will give us our answer in moles of NaBr. And when I plug this in my cell phone calculator, I got 0.0332 moles. I saw many of you write this as in scientific notation. That's totally acceptable. So if you wrote 3.32 times 10 to the minus 2 moles, full credit. 3.3 times 10 to the minus 2 moles, full credit. 0.033 moles, full credit. So last week we talked about this M line, conversion factors for the mole. So we know that a mole of substance is equal to the gram formula weight. This means that in the case of NaBr, when I calculate its molar mass, I get 102.894 grams is equal to 1 mole. That is now a conversion factor, and I use that conversion factor to convert grams to moles. But that's not the only conversion factor we learned. We also learned that 1 mole is equal to an Avogadro's number of particles. It could be atoms, it could be molecules, it could be any substance, formula units. I could have an Avogadro's number of demerits. By the way, that's a really big number of demerits to have. So I can either set a mole equal to the number of particles or a mole equal to the gram formula weight. For the second problem, we have 0.016 moles of copper, and we need to convert this to grams of copper. Now I know that 1 mole has to go in the denominator so moles can cancel. And if you look at the periodic table, you'll find that the mass of copper, the molar mass of copper, is 63.546 grams. Moles of copper cancel, my answer will be given in grams of copper. And when I simplify this expression on the calculator, I find that this is corresponding to 1.017 grams of copper.